Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 7 Test Measurement and Evaluation Part 2 Importance of Test Measurement and Evaluation in Sports. Test measurement and evaluation are important in the field of physical education and sports, as we know that test measurement and evaluation is the procedure or technique used to draw out the responses from the sport person in order to give information. Without test measurement and evaluation, it becomes very difficult to determine the level of achievement of various objectives of physical education and sports by an individual. First, to know about the progress. Through test measurement and evaluation, physical education teacher can determine about the progress of the student's performance, as it is essential for the teachers to know about the improvement of their students. Without the appropriate knowledge of progress, they cannot estimate the improvement. Second, for knowing the ability and capacities. With the help of test measurement and evaluation, teachers of physical education can assess and understand the ability and capacities of students, which ultimately help in conceiving a program. Third, for knowing the achievements in future. There is no doubt that present performance can be examined with the help of test measurement and evaluation, and on the basis of present performance in future achievements can be predicted. Fourth, attaining of specific objective. As the essential elements of training, teaching that the trainer and the trainee must understand the objective and goals of the training courses. The success is measured by test and measurement process. Test measurement and evaluation helps to find out whether the specific objectives and goals are being achieved or not. Fifth, for motivation. Measurement, it is a vital motivational device. A sports person comes to know his her level of achievement or performance with the help of test measurement and evaluation. He tries to compare his her performance with his her previous performance or with other performance. She puts more efforts to achieve better results. Okay, thanks to all.